everyone again, the Sue Headley Nursery. I hope you enjoyed the wake up shake up the other day, keeping you fit, safe and healthy. I thought I'd learn a little routine for you all, and all the grown-ups could learn this too. It's to dance monkey, and I'm just going to play it, and I'm just going to go through the steps as I'm dancing, and it repeats itself a lot, so the more you practice the better you'll get. So I'm just going to play it straight away. Just swing your arms and your feet. I'm going to step across. Swing back with your wrists. And again, cross, cross, back again, cross, cross. Do your own little style. Cross, look that way. We're going to push up and down. Forward, 2, 3, 4, again. Again. 1, 2, 3, and again. Get right down. 2, 3, and last time. We're going to walk forward, strut west up. Go the side. We're going to jump it back. And we're going to swing it out. And again. Walk forward. Step to the side. Step to the side. We're going to hop it back. And swing it out. We're going to start again. Back. And cross. Cross. Remember, swivel your wrists. Forward. Forward. Back. Back. Forward. Back. And down and up. And 1, 2, 3, and again. Down and down. 1, 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, last time. 1, 2, ready to strut yourself, go forward. To the side. And hop it back. We're going to swing it out. And again. To the side. Hop it back. Swing it out. Do your own little style. Hop it back. Swing it out. Strut your stuff. To the side. Hop it back. Out. And swing it out. You're going to go to the side. Up. Turn. And again. Out. Out. Up. Up. Turn. Ready to start again. Get nice and bouncy. Hop it out. Swing it out. Forward and walk again. To the side. Hop it out. And just enjoy it. And last time. To the side, to the side. Hop it out. And swing. And again. Turn and just do your pose. And do any pose you want. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and it definitely keeps you fit. So if you just practice and practice, you can all get up, and when that song comes on, you can show off to everyone your moves. Bye for now.